Noni, Morinda citrifolia L, Part 1. Pharmacological effects. Eliminates moist air in the body, increases bone strength, blood purifier, laxative urine, menstrual laxative, skin softener, cough medicine, worm medicine, laxative and antiseptic, improves circulation. Diseases that can be cured and how to use. Based on various literatures that record experiences from generation to generation from various countries and regions, this plant can cure the following diseases. 1. Dysentery. 5 grams of dried noni bark, 5 grams of root, cut into pieces as needed, then boiled with 3 cups of clean water until the remaining 1 cup. After cold filtered, drink. 2. Inflammation of the intestines. 2 ripe noni grated, add 1 tablespoon of honey, stir until evenly distributed and then squeezed with a piece of cloth, drink. Do it 2 times a day. 3. Smooth urination. 2 ripe noni grated, add a little lime water and stir until evenly distributed. Squeeze with a piece of cloth, drink. 4. Cough due to colds. 2 to 3 ripe noni grated, add rock sugar water to taste. Stir until evenly distributed and then squeezed with a piece of drinking cloth. 5. Cough. 2 ripe noni, washed, grated. Add 3 tablespoons of cooking water, 1 teaspoon of vinegar and a pinch of salt. Squeezed with a piece of cloth, drink. 3 by 2 tablespoons a day. 6. Inflammation of the tonsils. A. Some ripe noni fruit is grated, the juice is added with honey, then used for gargling. B. Parasite leaves that grow on the kaffir lime tree, 5 pieces plus pulosary fennel, finely ground. Add the juice of 1 ripe noni fruit that has been grated and 1 cup of warm water. Stir until evenly then filtered, drink. Do it every day. 7. Diphtheria. Noni ripe 4 pieces washed and grated, squeezed with a piece of cloth. The juice is used for deep gargling throat. Gargle for 2 to 3 minutes and then swallowed. Do it 3 by 3 tablespoons a day. 8. Swollen spleen, spleen pain. Noni ripe 2 pieces grated, add enough vinegar and stir until evenly distributed. Squeeze with a piece of cloth, drink. Do it every day until cured. 9. Bloody spit. Eat ripe noni fruit. 10. Liver pain. A. 3 ripe noni fruit grated, squeeze with a piece of cloth, drink. B. Medicine by the stomach, a piece of noni bark finely ground, stirred with a little vinegar. Wrap this concoction with banana leaves, then heated briefly over the fire or steamed. Warmly applied to the upper right abdomen, liver area. Next part 2.